Hello, in front of me I've got FC25. In this video I'll show you how to enable and disable shot assist. In the beginning, let's go to the settings and now enter settings again. Go to game settings, find shot assistance and switch between precision, assisted or manual. In manual, the direction you aim is the direction the shot travels. In precision, shot direction will be partially assisted. Aiming at the goal results in more accurate shots and faster ball speeds. In assisted, shot direction will be assisted to ensure the player always aims towards the goal. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.